Wow.
Did he allow you to touch the plaque?
No, no. And I got to tell you, I know we have a big agenda. We got a lot of stuff to cover. But one thing that I have to share is I really tried to coordinate some hijinks with Sal's plaque. Like I was hoping to get my hands on it and do kind of borderline nefarious things all around base with the plaque and get pictures so then I could post them with like ransom request type things, you know. And what I found is they must have known I was coming because as soon as Sal hit the trail, they put it in the mail and it was already on the way back to Tampa. It was not someplace where I could put hands on it. Because if you've ever been around me in base camp, you know that I can be sneaky, you know? So it didn't matter where they put it. I was liable to ferret it out and find it and, you know, hope that I could get forgiveness for it later. But it was already gone, or at least that's what they told me. So
They knew you were coming and prepared.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, well, it was like Phil Break when I'd said I'm going to crash their official, you know, live thing. They let me come in and see how it was all set up, but then before they actually started broadcasting, they kind of tricked me into leaving the building and locked the door. So I was like, "Come on!" But it was a solid move. I give them credit for that. Okay, why don't we let's talk about some lessons learned because I didn't really learn much of anything with my time.